All right, let's go ahead and try to write a linear equation simply given two of the points that are on the line. We know that linear equations can be written in the slope-intercept form as y equals mx plus b. Our goal here is to find both m, that is our slope, and b, that is our y-intercept. Now, we know that our slope is based on the change in y values, or our rise, over the change in x values. We can see our first y value is 4 and our second one is 10. To go from 4 and 10, the change in y is plus 6 units. Now our 1 and 3 are x values. To go from 1 to 3, our change in x is plus 2 units. So our slope is 6 over 2, which reduces to 3 over 1, or 3. So we know so far that our equation is y equals 3x plus b. We're going to go ahead and test one of the points we know in order to figure out what b must be. We know that y comes out 4 when we plug in 1 for x. So we know 4 is equal to 3 times 1, or 3, plus b. Solving this equation, we can subtract 3 from both sides and very quickly see that 4 minus 3 is 1 and that our y-intercept is in fact 1. So this turns our equation into y equals 3x plus 1. What's nice is we can very quickly verify that this works. Our equation suggests that if we multiply by 3 and add 1, we get the y value. Let's test the first one. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And the second one, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10.